Owner has a high water bill. I thought the TMP blowing off, but that's just the AC. TMP's fine. I did see this. Look at that. That's not good. We'll address that in a second. But come right here. Tell me if you hear anything. All right, so it's leaking from, I can't remember now, but the challenging part is that these are connected to galvanized, which is not good, man. I mean, I might have to mega press those or something, I don't know. I guess I could just install new supply hoses, but I don't know. All right, so I got these. The issue is this is a really tight spot, and I believe that's a washing machine drain, or a hot and cold for washing machine, I think, or maybe it's a shower. I don't know, but what I'm gonna do is recommend, we'll do this for now as a temporary fix, and then recommend that that be properly fixed and that galvanized be removed, because I mean, I could mega press that, but honestly, doing all that and then running PEX to this Type M 3/4 right here, I don't know. I'd rather just do it right, because that'll eventually corrode, and I don't even know if I can get back there, to be honest with you. So let's try this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I mean, this is ridiculous. I'm not gonna, I don't even know how you get back over there. I mean, I don't know what's going on, dude. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cap these. All right, talk to the owner, and this is the washing machine. The reason I didn't know if it was a washing machine is because I don't see a drain anywhere, but based on its location, this is definitely a washing machine. To all you shark bite enthusiasts, bunch of kooks, man.
I only use them temporarily. It's a temporary fix.
I don't know about you, but I'm coming back tomorrow to do this. And if I put a shark bite on there right now, turn the water back on, and left, from the time I left till tomorrow when I get back, I would be thinking about those blowing off. So I won't touch those freaking things, dude. These will absolutely not leak.
I've seen ProPress leak before.
Yeah, buddy, because they were installed wrong. If you install them properly, proper insertion depth, you clean the pipe, they will not leak.